What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of some of the Europeans currently giving us a significant trading opportunity in this volatile market. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade Europeans. Now, looking at first of all Euro GBP. Now, looking at first of all lower time frame 4 hour perspective, we see that Euro GBP from the 4 hour perspective, there was a strong drop in this direction from this level. And with the drop, Euro GBP has dropped to this monthly level of support. If we look at the monthly perspective, we see that this price, in fact, from this monthly resistance, there was a strong rejection to the downside in Euro GBP. Now, with that rejection, we see that this zone where there is a strong buyers in the past, we have seen there was a long monthly bullish engulfer that has a significant liquidity gap from this support, followed by we have seen a monthly long week candle. Now this month we have seen that after coming to this zone again, the bulls are buying in this market. So with that said, what we can expect now, Euro GBP to have a bounce, because if you closely look at, you see that this is a strongly bullish market. Every month the price was creating series of higher lows. Now, if you look at the weekly perspective on Euro GBP, we see that weekly time frame as well. There's a strong bullish candle followed by quite a few weeks drop, a retracement to the downside, created this pattern, that bull flag. Now, from that bull flag, we see that Euro GBP slowly bouncing back, means that we could potentially see that Euro GBP is going up. Now, if you look at the daily perspective, we see that there is a strong drop, has broken this local level of support here. Now, if you closely look at, we see that there was an impulse on the weekly, on the daily, and then created this correction. Again, another impulse. We saw that the price has broken this local support zone. Now, the price again rejecting to the upside, means that we could potentially see a continuation of a long-term uptrend. So, if we look at further lower time frame for a potential entry, we see that Euro GBP, the price is creating multiple candle that has a significant liquidity gap. You can see with this doji, there was a once liquidity gap, and also you see that with this doji, again, there has been another liquidity gap. This current candle, we see that significantly bullish, that has crossed this liquidity zone and now rejecting to the upside, means that Euro GBP potentially you could see is going back to this important level of previous support zone, turning resistance. So we can expect now Euro GBP to go up. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone, we'll consider going long on Euro GBP to take this move to the upside with our students with a high probability trade setup. Now, keeping in mind that euro is strongly bullish, we see that euro AUD has done the same thing. We saw multiple liquidity grab on its way on euro AUD, that is giving a potential bullish move on this one as well. Looking at monthly euro AUD, as you can see, every month the price was creating series of higher low. Looks like that this one also very strongly bullish. Weekly as well, we see from the weekly perspective, this is a starting of a new impulsive move to the upside after this inverted head and shoulder on the weekly. So we can expect on euro AUD as well to continue to go up. Now, if we look at the daily perspective, we see that after the previous day's crossover of 20 EMA, we see that euro AUD now is above all this level of daily resistance, and we can expect this price to explode to the upside. So from the 4 hour perspective, we see the price already created a move with this impulse and then doji, and the price again creating another impulsive move. So we'll need for this one a little bit of drop to the downside, probably a smaller candles with a slower retracement can give us a potential entry opportunity on euro AUD from this zone. As soon as we will find entry, we'll consider going long on euro AUD. Looking at EURCAD, which is a little bit of weaker in comparison with other euro pairs, but we see that this market also preparing for a bullish move. As you can see, we have seen on EURCAD there is a strong liquidity gap with this bullish engulfer, followed by quite a few sessions a strong bullish move, giving EURCAD for a potential momentum. Now, for EURCAD to find a suitable entry, we can see that the price is moving along this channel, and we can expect now the price to come back down to the support of this channel to give us a potential entry opportunity. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on EURCAD, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup. Looking at EURJPY, which is significantly bullish than any other Europeans, as yen is showing a weakness, we see that EURJPY is a long-term bull market, and from the monthly perspective, we see that this market is preparing for a bigger move. From the weekly as well, we saw there was a strong bullish engulfer, followed by this week. So far, the bears couldn't create any new lower low, and we see a perfect retest of this previous resistance here as a support, and we can expect now this price to continue to go up as well. If we look at the daily, we see that there is a typical uptrending market structure. We see this channel is trying to break to the upside. So if you look at 4 hour, we see the price from this support zone is now slowly rejecting to the upside. So as soon as we will find a local price action that can give us a suitable entry opportunity on EURJPY, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading Europeans. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.